Hi, I just want to do a real quick update on these paints that use the these paintings that use the Deco art. You can see they dried, but like part of it's glossy and part of it's not. There's almost like a pattern in it, which is odd. The colors stayed really, really vivid. It's nice and smooth. This is the other one. This is the one that was so thick, like glue, but it dried really nice. Here, I'll pan out on it. And I really like it. Some of you were unsure of it, but I really like it. But this also has that kind of weird, see that pattern in there. And that was really stirred up, but you don't really see it in the colors at all. It is just in the white that I am seeing it. And I also wanted to say that I don't know if there will be more videos this week. There wasn't. The ones that I had this week were filmed the week before. We've been in the hospital with my father-in-law who has passed away today. So it will probably, so I just want you guys to know so that when there's not videos from me, you don't think that I dropped off the face of the earth. And I probably won't be responding to comments or anything for the next few days. But I want to update you on those and to let you know, since I do produce a video every day, and when I miss one, I wanted to make sure that you guys knew I was all right. So I will catch y'all in a few days, probably. Bye. Thanks.